What's good, guys? Welcome to another bowling episode series. I don't even know what's gonna happen.
The special guest here, it's Fatima's oldest brother.
No, older brother. Actually, Fatima is older than him by like 5 minutes. The twins. And this is his first time appearing.
I'm older by 2 minutes.
Fatima.
I'm older by 2 minutes.
Bro, did they put my name as They put my name as Irving.
You guys know it's Aaron. I have no clue.
Anyway, so I ended up second. Almost beat Donna, but I
Gotta get better anyway. I didn't have my ball or my shoes, so that this game doesn't count.
It was a fair game. He lost.
He has ball. I don't have my balls.
So yeah, so first round ended. 5 minutes, yeah. When it's that team, it was like 5 minutes.
Alright, what's good, guys? So Fatima's gonna strike.
And so since Marvin's so far down, Adam's gonna go for him. Because you know Marvin needs it. Bro, this guy thinks he's what's his name?
The guy on the Nuggets. I'm so sorry. What's his name? Oh my god. I know he's on the Nuggets.
His name is
Jamal Murray. There we go, Jamal Murray.
his arrow celebration when he's 3-pointer.
My bad, Jamal Murray. Gotta shout you out. That's my bad. I don't watch NBA as much as I used to.
A ver, let's see that form. Sit back down. Sit back down. Okay.
Oh, I fucked up. And it's
Damn, she can sand memes.
Hey, yo, turn right. Let me flash out. No, that shit was terrible. Oh my god. You have it?
Damn, bro.
You almost hit that beam right there.
Last time I peaked, I got like 8.
Nah, I was bad.
You're gonna hit that beam.
Hey, wait, I'll take it. Okay. We got time.
That's me. Okay. Winner.
Right there, that's it. And then you open that shit, it's the same thing.
Damn, ball.
Okay.
Come on, play it. Back, play it. Play it, James.
Damn.
Yo!
Alright, what's good, guys? So this whole segment right here is going to be all Spanish because that's how we were talking just on this particular part. So I will put subtitles. Ahí está, por fin echamos una. Ay, mira, que lo pusiste bien. Sí, güey. Ey, no movió la pelota, ¿no? No, sí lo movió. Se dio trampa. No, aquí lo tengo grabado. Ay.
Con el peor de los escenarios, Portugal.
No, se le acabó la suerte.
Ay, no, valió ver, güey.
Sin miedo, güey.
No, ese no lo pegues, ese es nosotros. 2-4.
La metió.
De un lado. ¡Ah!
No, valió.
Ya acabé. Es mi último primero.
Oh.
Voy a ponerlo. Nah.
¡Mi bomba!
No, ya ganaron. Ay, güey.
Oh! Dude, I thought it was a friendly.
Bro, our table all the way over here. How did this team?
What am I?
You have to little confianza.
Bro, that should be like an instant disqualification.
Standing here, they'll be like, yeah, this guy's not even fit
Oh,
for this.
he lost.
Alright, I'm done. Cool. We're going back to bowling. Alright, so what's good, guys? Unfortunately, this whole segment right here is just gonna be a pure voiceover. Because for some reason, on this particular day, they decided to play some copyright music, which unfortunately we cannot play on our channel. Because we don't want any copyright strikes, and of course, 3 strikes and you're pretty much done on YouTube. So, let me introduce you guys. So, of course, it's me and Irving, and Chris is here too, from previous videos. And the special guest named Miguel, who is Chris and Irving's cousin. But anyway, so unfortunately, this whole part is going to be cut out. It should have been longer. There were some funny moments, but of course, copyright music did ruin the whole part of it. And I don't want to just strike the audio because it would sound weird without the background noise, which would have been like the bowling balls and pins and all that, because I'm going to pick up her voice. So, here it is. I'll show you some highlights, and then we'll move on to the next part. Alright, what's good, guys? We got new Chainsaw Man ones. These are collectibles. They're only 1 out of 6. No Himeno. Very disappointed.
Oh, yeah, she is.
It's not here, bro. They don't appreciate greatness. That's what it is.
She died.
Disrespect. Alright, guys. Black House is reduced down 2 members.
No.
Special guest.
Special guest.
Oh, hell
Oh,
yeah.
he's already introduced pretty early in the bowling, but
It's the homie Mickey. You already know.
Add the Insta handle.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
fuck. It's
yeah,
not.
you
It's
guys
nobody epic. Nobody epic. Rock, paper,
Scissors, shoot.
Who lost?
Nobody gotta redo it.
Okay.
Wait, what?
We had rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Again, nobody.
Damn, bro.
Shoot. Alright, Irving's out.
So I go last, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No shit.
Fuck, I go first. Damn. Alright, so I go first. Then Mickey, and then Chris.
Oh,
and
so I'm
Irving.
third, okay.
Yeah, because I lost first. I didn't know who to go for. I guess anybody would post it up for real.
I have a feeling I got poached, I'm not gonna lie. Damn.
His ass gone. His ass is gone. I saw
Who's going second?
Damn.
You got power.
Oh, you got power?
I'm about to trade him and what?
I'm just seeing the secrets. All for Makima.
Power.
Denji.
Benji? Okay. Irving.
Same here.
Alright, I'm hoping power. If not, I'm trading Miguel.
If he lets you.
I get poached.
So, what's good, guys? I don't know how loud I am. This music is loud over here. And I think one thing that I'm worried about is copyright. Because it is... I don't know, the music is weird. Anyways, we are in Astro World, Lower Illinois. I have no clue what is here to offer. There's like 10 different things here. It looks bigger than the one that we went to back in the first video. And there's no Irving, no Fatima today. It's me and Chris here. There's a couple other people. I don't know if they want to be included or not. We'll do something later that I'll have to ask. There's go-karts here. I'm gonna do it, man. And so, yeah. Now, nothing else. Let's not look around here. There's mini golf. We are a bit late. It is 4:21, I think. So we only, and it closes here at 9 on Sunday. Today's Sunday.
So that means that we would have about 4 hours and a half, maybe 4, because we take us out before then, just to get everything ready. So they're all up in the front. It finally took us a while to go. We did lazy tag and some other shit. I should have recorded lazy tag. I'm gonna try to do it next one. But no the Lotto here, so I'm trying to fast hurry up and talk about it. But yeah, I'm gonna sit in the back. Purposely did this on purpose. So they're about to get smoked right now. Who just said what up? Cause you know they're about to get smoked. There's no bumping, which just does suck. But
What's good, guys? As you can tell, this is a voiceover as I'm currently playing basketball in the arcade. But I'm gonna be honest with you. For the drive and the price, Astroworld is not worth it. You even have to pay more to skip the line. There were a lot of issues that I had there. First of all, the go-karts was like a 10-minute queue time just for 8 people. And we were there for a good while. We were for like half an hour. And I was like, okay, this is not really worth it. Almost everything that you see in the first video at Jack's Warehouse, the very first video that we ever did, called Just a Vlog, has everything better than Astroworld. Even the theme of classic lights on is better than the neon theme that they have over there. And so I don't think we'll be returning here for a future video at all. It's just something that, at least personally, I don't like. But I don't know how everybody else in the video felt, but personally, I did not think it was better than Jack's Warehouse. And for sure, not worth the drive and the price. So, that's about it. I'm gonna be honest with you, we didn't get much footage after that. So, it's something that I really couldn't film because it just wasn't too entertaining at all.